Good morning, Black Ace 36. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do spiral wraps. Pretty cool trick to do. Goes very well with a 3-beat weave, of course. It can be done either counterclockwise or clockwise, whichever you prefer. But for terminology, you're going to be split time. So get that going, and you're going to be on wall plane. Split time wall plane. You want to get it really good in front of you. Also, I found what helps is holding the tips of the poi back a little bit on your hands so they don't slip off your fingers. So hold them back a little bit. Once you get this going, you bring it together and you pull out. Bring it together, hands are like this, and then pull out. And you can see how as they come in, I'm beginning to pull out, you know, to not, because you want to keep it going generally. Like I said, split time, together and out, together and out, together and out. And once you get that going, it's all easy breezy from there. You can also do variations of this like butterfly maybe, if you can make it look right, you know. I've never actually tried this, but I'm sure some of y'all have. But yeah, I'm sure that could potentially be a cool one. But yeah, so split time, wall plane, come together, hand on top of the other, pull out, hand on top of the other. Both of the poi are going in the same rotation, split time. This way or that way. Whichever way you're comfortable with first.